Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to take off a door panel on a 1991 Toyota Land Cruiser. You're going to be taking off, I believe, 3 screws. The first one is you're going to pop this thing off, and there are 2 Phillips screws right here and right here, and then also there is a screw right here. So we're just going to take these off. Okay, from there, you're going to pull it off the tabs, lift it up, and that's how you do it. Obviously this, if you want to take that off, that's just going to be going to this. So just unplug it, pop it out and unplug it, and that'll enable you to take the door panel off completely.